Hello everyone, my name is Carolyn, and in this short video I will explain how the email and form reporting pages work for your invitations in zkipster. Once your invitation has been sent, you will be able to see and trace all of your invitation statistics. From the Invitations Overview page, simply click on your sent invitation, which will take you straight to the reporting screen. The email reporting page will show you delivery and bounce statistics for the email you sent. To quickly explain this breakdown in a bit more detail, delivered means the email has successfully delivered to the recipient's email server. Note that this doesn't mean that the recipient necessarily got the email, it just means that the server accepted the email. Opened are messages that have successfully delivered to the recipient's mailbox and have displayed to the end user at least once. Opens are dependent on read receipt permissions. If this is not permitted, you will not see the status as opened. Clicked means that the guest clicked in the email to go through the RSVP form. Bounces. Soft bounces will need no immediate action. The email simply could not be delivered at first attempt and will be retried again. It will either become delivered or a hard bounce. Hard bounces need action taken. A triangle icon will pop up next to the hard bounce status to indicate either a code or a message as to why the email could not be delivered. You can also export this report information as an Excel or CSV file by selecting either all or only specific guests and clicking Export on the action dropdown. Your form reporting page of confirmed and declines is also available to you. Once you are on the reporting page, switch the toggle at the top right from email to form reporting. The form report will display all of the confirmed and declined submissions for this specific form. You can use the filter drop-down to filter by RSVP status, and the search bar to search for a specific guest. Head to our Help Center for more tutorial videos and articles on zkipster's invitations feature, and thanks for watching.